Hi everyone, I'm Maradona Firmansyah. My last three-digit student number is 016. In this video, I will explain my essay about quality education for the Indonesia Golden Generation. The outline that consists of education, Golden Indonesia, quality of teachers, comprehensive curriculum, and the last is national standards of education. The first outline is education. Education is a process of fundamentally shaping the intellectual, emotional, and spiritual abilities conducted by formal, informal, and non-formal methods. Education is not only about transferring knowledge and skills, but further, education is a process of internalization in order to change the level of knowledge, insight, and attitude better. Education is essentially about improving the personality in accordance with the values prevailing in the society so as to achieve a better and noble position. Education is a way to increase knowledge and skills, which can ultimately also increase our welfare. In the current era of globalization, education has become a primary need for the community in addition to the needs of food, clothing, shelter, and health. Next, the second outline is Golden Indonesia. The independence of Indonesia was a historical event that indicates the possibility of releasing Golden Indonesia in 2045. The younger generation of the holders of leadership milestone in the future. One of the ways to achieve Golden Indonesia in 2045 is developing quality education as a provision for the younger generation. The first way to create quality education is improving the quality of educators or teachers. The current teachers are required to work professionally, not just releasing obligations. Next is the third of outline. This is a quality of teachers. The quality of teachers in Indonesia is ranked 14 out of 14 developing countries. The factors that can increase the quality of teachers are the teachers have to understand the subject they teach well and master their ways to teach effectively. The competencies that have to be owned by the teachers are pedagogic, personal, professional, and social competencies. For improving these competencies of teachers, there should be both academic and non-academic trainings, such as teaching training. That's why hopefully can also make the teachers realize the teaching students is not only a professionalism obligation, but also a contribution for developing of the human resource quality in Indonesia. The next is for outline. This is about a comprehensive curriculum. A comprehensive curriculum is the one of the most important things to improve the quality education of Indonesia. Curriculum is teaching materials or subjects or course that contain logistical materials to achieve learning objectives. In Indonesia, curriculum changes are also made to improve the quality of education. Previously used the 2006 KTSP curriculum is now replaced with the 2013 curriculum. The curriculum must contain things that can help each student develop all the potential that exists in him to acquire new knowledge, new abilities, and new ways of thinking need in life. A comprehensive curriculum must be accompanied by a good learning process. In the end, a comprehensive curriculum will improve the quality of education in Indonesia for the better. And the last outline is national standards of education. The national standard of education consists of standard of content, process, competency of graduates, education personnel, facilities and infrastructure, management and financing, as well as assessment that must be improved on a planned and regular basis. The government, school principal, teachers, education staff, employees, students, parents, and the community are inseparable unit in achieving learning goals and national education goals. The 6 basics interrelated components in improving the quality of learning are: the first is developing the professionalism of learners. The second is development of environmental management, educational infrastructure and facilities. The third, development of school management. The fourth, development of supervision or monitoring and evaluation. And the fifth, development of learning evaluation tools. And the last, development of school and community relation. The national standard of education in Indonesia consists of standard of content, process, competency of graduates, education, personnel, facilities, and infrastructure, management and financing, as well as assessment that must be improved on a planned and regular basis. This is all for me. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.